speak in a tongue. Eh? Because that the church, them the church where them in a dolly house business them a play. That's why him can do something to Jayden like this and still over the about him a speak in a tongue so that kalam. You understand? Cause that the church they not ready yet. That the church they not ready yet. Anyhow, them people they never not play dolly house. Them already see the demons were in him. Trust and believe that. Trust and believe that. You hear me? Trust and believe that. Any church will really have the Lord, the real Savior in it. That the wicked principal there could have never enter back there. He may have to find himself another dolly house church. But because of dolly house business them depend. The principal is a liar. Straight up liar. Let me tell you something, man. When listen, not for all the things so enough go church. Yes, the other day me in up on my live. Somebody gonna come up in my live and say, them get a message for tell me say, the Lord tell me say an earthquake will come tomorrow. And I look on her and say to her, say, the Lord tell us say an earthquake will come tomorrow. But we over here talk about Jayden. And you not try to go fast and help us find justice for Jayden. Me not say some of them not prophets no right, you know. But some of them will call themselves Christian, need to check themselves. Because them not live right for the sin of them. For the sin of them want walk with them. Them are the person them don't want make the sin of them go in a church. And them are block the sin of them from go to church. Because we as out here so see them and live a dolly house life in a church. And we out here live a more righteous life than most of them. Most of them, me are pastor lick out and say most of the church sister them in there and work Obia. When you in a church and Obia and a work and I do all kind of evil something for. And you're in a church, be the pastor lick out and I preach a pastor. I said no for the church sister they will have in there. He said no care if them not like him. He said no for them in there throw science off of one another. Because a church sister might get promotion and them they want the promotion. All them there's something there. Must have get promotion for be deacon or whatever. I don't know how it go in a church. When me hear the pastor preach with the pope, I say what go on the church. Eh? So me see exactly what go on. Cause you see that the man that was saying my principal every Sunday each up in a church. Every Sunday over there in a church with them. That's why God will reveal him. That's why the Most High will reveal him. Why you think the Most High show me say, look, 7 months after nobody else does spot Jayden. The man come out here as a distraction and for divert the investigation to make it look like Jayden is alive. That's what the principal do. He know exactly where him do. Every Sunday I'm in there speaking in tongues. One Sunday tongue I go drop out of him damn head. Thank you. One Sunday him tongue I go drop out of him damn head. Me I tell you now. One Sunday him tongue I go drop out of him head. Because this man here know exactly what happened to Jayden. Because ask yourself, this principal not have no reason to come out and lie. If you never do Jayden, nothing I know what happened to Jayden, why you lie? Why you could have said Jayden come to school the Friday And after the Friday, nobody is seeing Jayden. And if somebody see Jayden, please contact the police. Why not say that? Him can't say that. Him can never say that. Because him knows say him involved in a Jayden gone missing. Him and the whole of them. And then him gone every Sunday I play church. Every Sunday him out there play church. Every Sunday them over there I play church. Him go over there and speak up in the tongues and a go on. And no say him act black like on face black. Every Sunday you look on YouTube him in a church, a preacher and a gone on with himself. And make a mockery of God. Why you think they gotta expose him? Why you think they gotta expose him? If ever expose him because he messed with the wrong child and then him in a church, I play church. Listen, him have a piece of whipping forget to see man. Him have a piece of whipping forget. Trust and believe. Why you think say the ex-teacher them a run out and a call and a text me and a tell me about the dirty man? Some things when them tell me can't come out because if I don't know exactly how which one of the teacher them tell me. The incident, the incident where happened between you and the teacher, you know exactly. But me now put her on at the bus. She begged me not call her name. She said you're a serpent. She said you never stop fight her. You never stop doing all kind of evil things. Yes. She have cut from the school because of you. Yes. It's not an easy man them a deal with at a school there. It is not an easy man. Yes. But all of them things that them get where with Jayden, but them not get where yet. I'm telling you, them not get where yet. Them can't get where, and will never get where. Listen, you know how the principal happy film name stop call? You know how happy he was when him name stop call? Listen, the principal where everybody look up to, they miss a professional person, they miss a educated person where all of you look up to. Well, we want to bust on the bubbles tonight. That man come out here and deceive every single one of you. That man never, nobody, no see Jayden Smith. Him lie. That man never see Jayden eat more than the norm that day. That man come out and lie again. Jayden Smith never have no survival skill. Him lie again to Uno. Ask yourself why this man here lied to Uno. Uno ask yourself that question. Because only a person who a cover up something have the reason for come out and lie like how him lie to us. Only a person who hide something come out and lie to us. When you think so because him in a necktie and because him a go to church and because him educated, him is not a evil. Well, you know wrong. That's a phone problem. On a judge a book by the cover. Because him in a necktie and him is a principal. Him is the most respectable person. Him is a notary. Him is a that. Him is a this. Well, on a ask yourself, what reason him have to lie? On a ask yourself that. Cause him so respectable. A son of Galanga Jamaica. On a Friday, who come out and say them at this or that, them can never do wrong for uno. Yes, on a Friday. Yes, on a seat right now, so the man is a damn liar. Plain as daylight. Plain as daylight, the man lied to and say, somebody see Jayden. Plain. Yes, him never hide. Him come nationwide and lie to Jamaican people. The man wanna worship Mr. Necktie man, Mr. Principal, Mr. Educated man. Well, me go bust on the bubbles. Him lie to you. Nobody spot Jayden. If somebody did spot Jayden, them would have see Jayden you know too. Don't it? Yes, them would have see Jayden. Look how much month passed by and nobody else see Jayden. Just him. See him like how him lie to you and say him don't know the family. When Anne-Marie at work and yard. Who wanna think of the boss when Mr. T say the boss? At him at the boss. Yes. Who wanna think of the house of Pertry Hill? At him. Yes. Yes, ask yourself why him lie. And him at the principal at Jayden school. Ask yourself that. Ask yourself why him lie. And him is the principal for Jayden school. When I think somebody that know better and do better. Well, this is one here. No know better. Yes, him is an evil one. Evil. Evil wear necktie. Evil can be educated. Evil can be notary. Evil can go church. Evil go everywhere. Wanna make sure remember that. Wanna know over there put people on pedestal because them have necktie and educated. Them can't do no wrong. On the wrong. On the wrong. On the wrong. The man what wanna think was the principal and the this, that. Him lied to us as Jamaican people. Him have no business for lie to us. But because him know what happened to Jayden, so him have to come out and cover himself and cover him friend them, the family. Una think say is an easy man to not deal with. Why wanna think say Jayden case stagnant? Why wanna think? Una think say everybody who come out here and say them at this and say them at that? Una think say just come, and then send them. Una think say them just come so. I come for Black Jayden case. Yes.